kids enjoy the ride. H is for horse, running with might. I is for iguana, green and bright. J is for jellyfish, floating around. K is for kangaroo, hopping on the ground. L is for lion, king of the land. M is for monkey, swinging on a strand. N is for narwhal, with a magic horse. So many animals for us to adore. Beautiful animals, A to Z. Sing along and learn with me. Letters and creatures side by side. Come on, kids, enjoy the ride. O is for owl, wise in the night. P is for penguin, a funny delight. Q is for whale, white and small. R is for rabbit, hopping to us all. S is for squirrel, nibbling a treat. T is for turtle, slow and sweet. Learning letters we can say. So many animals to love today. Unicorn fish, swimming free. V is for vulture, flying in the breeze. W is for whale, singing in the sea. X is for zurich, cute as can be. Y is for yak, fluffy and fun. Z is for zebra, stripes in the sun. Now we blend them all, A to Z. Animals are friends for you and me.